The bugle, the horn of my people. The first race on Championship Saturday, the fourth race at Del Mar, is the Breeders' Cup Juvenile Fillies. It's 2-year-old fillies running on dirt, a mile and 1/16. We have 13 horses in the field. It's going to be a very exciting race. We're dealing with 2-year-olds. There's going to be volatility. We're going to take a long shot, and we're going to go get that cash. Let's break down the race right now. The favorite is the 7 Moonshine Memories. 3 for 3, dual grade 1 winner. Won around 2 turns and has won twice at Del Mar. Very professional, nice tactical speed. The next favorite is Alluring Star, an $850,000 purchase. Projected to go right to the front. Was run down last out by Moonshine Memories. It was her first time being stretched out, so there's a belief that because it was her first time being stretched out that she may not get run down this time. If she can set the pace, whatever she wants, doesn't get forced, she'll be able to maintain it much better because she's done it before. Her first race was only 6.5 furlongs. Her second race was a mile 1/16. That's a big difference for a 2-year-old horse. Then we have the 10 horse, Maya Malibu, JJ Castellano, Graham Motion. These are Hall of Fame jockey trainer combination. Had a tough time with some of these. I think Maya Malibu is in over her head. She's adding blinkers. She was bred to go longer. She does have a shot, but I'm not going to take her. The horse I'm going to take is Wonder Godot, a Canadian horse that Mark Cassie's bringing down with Patrick Husbands riding. I like this horse a lot. Ran twice on turf and didn't look that good, but held her own. And then was switched over to the synthetic dirt we have up in Canada and blew the field away in a grade 3 race. Won by 6 lengths, put up an 81 bear. I think that this horse might be very comfortable on the Del Mar dirt. We're getting an 8-1 spot. This is the horse I'm going to hammer, Wonder Godot. Let's take a look at the other horses in the field. We got Piedi Bianchi right here. Doug O'Neill, Mario Gutierrez. This is a good horse at a big price, 15-1. Barely lost to Moonshine Memories. Barely, twice in a row. Barely lost to the favorite, and you're getting 15-1. Those of you out there that are looking for a long shot, this might be the one. 15-1, my shot. Wonder Godot, 8-1. Obviously, 15-1 is a real big number and a live long shot. Very consistent. 82 bear, 81 bear, 81 bear. This horse has a lot of potential. Then we have the 1, Heavenly Love, 9-2 with Laperoux in the saddles, another Mark Cassie horse. Ran well in the grade 1 Alcibiades. Very well. Won by 5.5 lengths. Very, very impressive. An 80 bear is not quite as fast as you would expect from a winning race. If you look over here at Piedi Bianchi, ran an 81 bear, coming third by 3 lengths. So you don't trust this race that much, and that's why we're not going to hammer Heavenly Love. But there's some good horses in this race. We have Princess Warrior, the 3 here. Had a great debut, 86 bear, a lot of hope, and then shit the bed in the Alcibiades. This was the race that Heavenly Love ran. We're not using these horses because we just don't think that was a very fast race. We don't have a lot of respect for that race, so we're putting a line through both of these horses. There's not a lot of, they're such young horses that we don't have a lot of races to base our judgments on. And when we can put a line through a horse, that makes it much easier for us to pick the ones that we like. Here we got Geo Game. Franco in the saddles, another Mark Cassie horse. Hasn't broken the maiden yet, and then did it finally here on October 6th. Won by 9 lengths, but still just a 75 bear. Nothing that we are blown away by. Then we have the 12 and the 13. The 12 is Caledonia Road. Nice off-the-pace horse with Mike Smith in the reins. Was clearly second best in the Frisette. The winner of that Frisette was Separation of Powers, the 13 horse. 4-1, one of the favorites in the race. Looked awesome in a stalking trip in that Frisette, but the post is a big problem. The reason why we're going to completely cut this horse out is because she's going to have a very tough time moving over from the 13 hole. It's going to be so tough. If other horses break at the same pace as her, she's going to go so wide off the first turn, and there's 2 turns in this 1-mile race. She's going to be fucked. The post is a problem, but that's Jose Ortiz and the jockey. Chad Brown is the trainer. It's a really nice combination. I am going to just take one bet. Wonder Godot. That's my horse in the first race of Championship Saturday, the Breeders' Cup Juvenile Fillies at 1 mile and 1/16. Let's get that cash.